Hello friend, I am Vivas Malik, and in this video I will share with you our new VPN method, how you can get PrivateVPN Premium. Here you can see I have just created our account PrivateVPN, and before this recording this video I had created a video about how you can get premium one subscribe premium. Here you can see active account status pro and expiry date 2 November, and also bandwidth uses unlimited. Let me refresh this page to show you that this is real. If you want one subscribe VPN, then please watch that video. I will give that video link in this video description, or you can simply find out my YouTube channel also on page. Let's start the tutorial. For this you need to, and just I have created a video about how you can get Avira account for 180 days, including password manager and VPN and etc, all the things. Please watch that video also. Here you can see trial version expired in 180 days. Let's start the tutorial. First of all, you will need to go to this link. I will give this link on my blog website. This website, I did not upload any video in last 2 months because my YouTube channel got a strike, community guidelines strike. So please do support this YouTube channel also. And I will give everything on my blog which is used on this YouTube channel, anything or any video. Go to this link. I will give this link on this blog website, and you must read this article, how to download anything from our website. Go to your email address, or you can use Temple, Hotmail, Yahoo Mail, Outlook, anything, and simply go to this link. And sorry, I did not maybe copy, then email, then pick your password. I will pick this, then click on this create trial account, then go to your email address. You will go to our email address from privatevpn.com. click on this, activate, choose. Here you can see we have successfully confirmed our email address, and now you can use PrivateVPN in your any device. Like here you can see Android, iOS, Mac, Windows, Kodi, and many more devices. Here you can see also active 13 days. Let's go to control panel. Here you can see subscription, ID, day, USD, and trial campaign. By this way you can use PrivateVPN for 14 days in a free. I will give invitation link on my blog website. Please visit this khalifavlogs.blogspot.com. And if you need a Grammarly premium private account, or old Facebook page, or Microsoft Office 365 genuine original license key, or Prime Video 6-month private account, or Canva premium, or GitHub Student Developer Bank, then you can simply contact me. I will provide you in a cheap price. Or if you are looking for a WordPress theme and plugin, then you can also contact me. I will provide you genuine original theme in a cheap price. Here you can see Astra, Generate Press, DV, Gnews, Woodmart newspaper, Greenmart, Jana, ClickMack, Extra, and these are the plugin are available in a cheap price. These are not the cracked version or null version. You will get GPL license with update also. And if you are still watching this video, then please visit my YouTube channel page. You will find out some useful tutorial. Thank you for watching video.